Hello, Charles Roebuck here, talking to you today on behalf of AboKey PhotoMaker. Since 1998, AboKey has been the world's most trusted name in image editing software. We appreciate your loyal patronage. AboKey wouldn't be AboKey without you. We'd like to take a moment to remind you of the terms of use of our image editing software. Number 1. Any images you edit or create, AboKey owns. Number 2. You may not edit or create any images we might consider objectionable. Number 3. You may save your images on your computer, or you may print them on AboKey approved photo paper. All other uses are prohibited. Number 4. You may not earn any money with respect to your images without first obtaining a commercial usage license. Number 5. You can create images with any color, except that of hex code FD131D, the proprietary color of AboKey's logo.
おやー、とやたたい。